We are starting a new week tomorrow, 16th of June, an exciting week because so much is happening around the world. So in this video, I'm going to show you something for the swing traders and when you can expect the Nifty to change the trend, and also something for the intraday traders as to how Nifty is going to perform tomorrow. So first, for the swing traders, in our premium channel on Telegram, we have announced that 7th June was supposed to be high followed by 15th June low. So we see that 7th June here, which was a trading day after 7th June, the first trading day after 7th June since 7th June was a holiday, is 9th June. 9th June almost made a high here, and then we have 15th as a low. So this was, we were bang on here, and Nifty actually gave us around 400 points here. So now what is in store for the swing traders this week? Swing traders can expect 21st June to be a high again here. So there's going to be a reversal from here till the 21st of June, and you can see some good chance of making money on the upside here. So swing traders, be prepared for 21st June, and if suppose this particular high breaks here, you can actually go long in this direction. Those of you who are interested in getting a 15 days trial for this particular forecast channel, premium forecast channel, just comment forecast and I will give you a trial for 15 days where you can see the last performances. You can also see the dates coming ahead. I would really appreciate that you subscribe and like this video so that I'm encouraged to bring in more videos. For the intraday traders, tomorrow is a Monday. Monday is a very important day. You can use the Hora calculations for your trading for tomorrow. And Hora calculations are very, very useful for intraday traders. You can see that as per our analysis here, tomorrow Monday is a day for the Saturn Hora. Out of the last 10 Mondays, 5 Mondays, Saturn has been very, very prominent and very, very profit making. So tomorrow look out for the Saturn Hora timings, and if the Saturn Hora breaks the previous Hora highs or lows, you can take a position in that particular direction. Also watch out for the Rahu column tomorrow. Rahu column tomorrow is supposed to be around 7:39 to 9:19. So practically this is before the trading hours and just the starting part of trading hours. So this should not cause much problems to you tomorrow. All the intraday traders, if you want to know more about the Hora timings, you want to know more about how to trade using Horas, you can just type Vedic Hora in the comment section, and I will enable this particular indicator for you for 15 days to explore, to find out and to see whether it helps you in intraday trading. This is for intraday traders. So let's meet again in the next week with a new analysis. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. I would really appreciate that you subscribe and like this video so that I'm encouraged to bring in more videos.